You check your outfit in the mirror before you leave the house. You check your phone notifications like it's a full-time job, but when's the last time you checked your financial health? Welcome to Vibe and Sense, where we make your money match your vibe. I'm your host, and today we're talking about the trend taking over Gen Z, the FinCheck. If you've been on TikTok or Instagram lately, you've seen it. People sitting down, opening their banking apps, and getting real about where their money actually is. It's part accountability, part therapy, and honestly, it might be the most important habit you pick up this year. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is a FinCheck? If a fit check is about making sure your outfit looks good, a FinCheck is about making sure your finances look good. It's a 10 to 15-minute moment where you sit down and review three things. One, your bank balance. Not just the number you see when you open the app, actually looking at what came in, what went out, and whether anything looks off. Two, your credit score. This is the number that determines if you can rent an apartment, buy a car, or even get approved for a credit card. And yet, so many of us have no idea what ours is. Three, your active subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify, gym membership, that random app you downloaded for a free trial 6 months ago. You know the one. Here's why this matters. The average Gen Z adult carries over $94,000 in debt. That's student loans, credit cards, car payments, and a lot of that debt piles up because we're not checking in with our money regularly. A FinCheck isn't about shaming yourself for what you spent. It's about awareness. You can't fix what you don't track. All right, let's actually do a FinCheck together. You can pause this video and follow along, or just watch and get the vibe. Step 1. Open your banking app. Scroll through your transactions for the last 30 days. Don't judge, just look. Notice patterns. Are you spending $15 a day on coffee? Did you get charged for something you don't recognize? Write down any subscriptions you see. Step 2. Check your credit score. If you don't know where to start, apps like Credit Karma or your bank's app usually show it for free. A good score is 670 or higher. If yours is lower, that's okay. We'll talk about how to build it in another video. Just know where you stand. Step 3. List every subscription. Go to your email and search receipt or thank you for your order. Make a list of everything you're paying for monthly. You might be shocked. Step 4. Ask yourself 3 questions. Do I use this? Does this actually make my life better? If I canceled it, would I notice in a week? If the answer to any of those is no, it's time to let it go. Step 5. Set one money goal for the next 30 days. Maybe it's cancel 3 subscriptions. Maybe it's save $20 from every paycheck. Maybe it's just check my accounts every Friday morning. Start small. Consistency beats intensity every time. So here's your action plan for this week. 3 things, doable, no pressure. Number 1, cancel one unused subscription today. Right now, open your phone and do it. Future you will thank you. Number 2, check your credit score. If you don't know it, find out. Just look. Knowledge is power. Number 3, automate a small savings transfer, even $10 or $20 per paycheck. Set it up so it moves to savings automatically on payday. You won't miss what you never see. That's your FinCheck. Simple, quick, and honestly, kind of satisfying. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. We're building a community here at Vibe and Sense where we talk about money without the stress and without the judgment. Drop a comment and let me know. Did you cancel a subscription today? What was it? I'm genuinely curious. Thanks for watching. Make your money match your vibe. I'll see you in the next one.